Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Feel It Before You Sing It. I am Manju with whom you're gonna spend the next few minutes. So thank you very much for that. Lag Ja Gale, an all-time classic favorite, has tied everyone to it even now in the 21st century. This song was sung by the Nightingale of India, Lata Mangeshkar, music given by Madan Mohan Kohli, and the lyrics scribbled by Raja Mehdi Ali Khan for the Bollywood classic mystery thriller film Wo Kaun Thi, meaning Who Was She, released in 1964. In this song, the beautiful actress of that time, Sadhana Shivdasini as Sandhya, and the great actor Manoj Kumar as Dr. Anand are seen sharing some beautiful and romantic moments with each other. Let me guys tell you in short the backstory of this song. There is this Dr. Anand in the movie who is committed to a girl named Seema. But a very saddening incident happens in Dr. Anand's life. Seema, his girlfriend, is murdered by a cyanide injection in the lift of a building. After this saddening incident, Dr. Anand's mother asks him to marry a woman named Sandhya, whom even she has never met before. In the early India, marriages were fixed by elders, and the groom and the bride were not allowed to see each other until the marriage. After the marriage, on removing the ghungat or the veil of the bride's face, Dr. Anand gets shocked to see the same girl whom he had given a lift and found dead in a scary bungalow, which you will come to know once you see the whole movie once. From then on, Dr. Anand starts ignoring his wife Sandhya and asks her to even go back to her own house. One day, all of a sudden, Sandhya goes to Dr. Anand's hospital, all decorated attractively, and asks him to go with her to a place where there's he, she, and silence. Then they go to a deserted place where there are only some coconut trees and bushes. Here takes place the song Lag Ja Gale. This is a female song where she expresses her pain and love for Dr. Anand. She tells Dr. Anand that it's her bad luck that she is away from Dr. Anand's love. I'm not gonna tell you the whole story in this video guys, but I strongly recommend you to watch this movie once, and I guarantee you guys, you will not regret it. So, the feel in this song is sad, romantic, and pain of love, or the need of true love. Now, I'm gonna explain to you guys the exact meanings of the song. I'll take one stanza at a time.
लग जा गले के फिर हंसी रात हो न हो शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो.
Hug me, embrace me, fill me in your arms. Who knows if this beautiful night will come again ever in our life. In this lifetime, we may or may not meet again. We've been blessed with such amazing moments and time by our lucks. See me very deeply and very closely to your heart's content. Destiny may not provide you this luck again in this lifetime. We may or may not meet again.
आएंगे बार बार
closer, for I will not come again and again. Let's put our arms around each other and cry tears of love out. We may or may not cry these tears of love again. In this lifetime, we may or may not meet again. This movie won the Filmfare Award for Best Cinematographer in Black and White Film. So, my dear musical people, thank you so much for spending your precious time with me. I look forward to have each one of you again in my next video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Feel It Before You Sing It, and comment what you felt, because we are a family and we are birds with the same feathers. Till then, take care, bye bye, namaskar.